Yes. Yeah, will sit.
Thank you.
Introduce yourself in the language in which you are comfortable without revealing your name and identity.
So my code is XYZ and I completed my graduation.
What's your code? Sorry.
I haven't been actually assigned one.
Okay, you haven't given any code.
No.
XYZ.
Yes. And I completed my graduation in electronics and communication technology. And after graduation, I've been preparing for public services. And my hobby is trekking.
Trekking. Okay. So what is your motivation behind joining this service, your service preference?
So it has always been my dream to contribute whatever little I can towards upliftment of society. My post preference is Deputy Collector, Assistant Commissioner of State Tax, and Deputy Director of Developing Caste and
Okay.
Section Officer.
Okay. Great.
તમે EC કર્યું છે અને તમે આમાં પબ્લિક એડમિનિસ્ટ્રેશનમાં આવવા માંગો છો તો કેવી રીતે રિલેટ કરશો બંનેને?
સર એક ઈસી એન્જિનિયર તરીકે પ્રાઇમરી કામ હોય છે કે ટ્રબલ શૂટ કરવાનું. કોઈ સર્કિટ કામ ના કરતું હોય તો કેમ નથી કામ કરતી એનો જે સોર્સ ઓફ પ્રોબ્લેમ છે એ શોધી અને એને સોલ્વ કરવાનું. તો એ એટીટ્યૂડ જે છે ઈસી એન્જિનિયરનો એ એડમિનિસ્ટ્રેશનમાં ઘણું કામ આવી શકે તેમ છે. તેના ઉપરાંત being just an engineer, I'm naturally very keen to learning new things, new developments, and using technology in the improvement of workspace and better interpersonal skills.
એવી બે ત્રણ વસ્તુઓ તમને ખબર છે જે ડેપ્યુટી કલેક્ટરની અથવા તો રેવન્યુની ઓફિસીસમાં હોય જેમાં ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક્સ એન્ડ કોમ્યુનિકેશન ટેકનોલોજી યુઝ થઈ હોય?
So there are multiple applications which are used for managing staffs, their performances, and for creating review and reports. And there are also various softwares created just for governance.
What are the names?
For example, there is Sathi, then there is Idara. I can't recall the other one, sir.
So what તમે આમાં are you comfortable with English or Hindi? Gujarati.
I'm comfortable with both, sir.
So
But
which language you will
English.
prefer? Okay. So if you are coming to this deputy collector, how you will improve the administration of deputy collector's office? What your inputs will be? What your innovations will be?
Sir, I think being a gigantic person interested in various e-governance initiatives that government is taking, and also in developing the communication network, for example, BharatNet program, which the government is very much focused on. Other than that, I will do my best to find out the chief problems and prioritize them, and then think about proper solutions and implement them.
Okay, as a DC, if you are posted as a DC and you are facing a big challenge of water crisis there in your subdivision, so how will you treat the problem?
So I will treat it in two-pronged approach. First of all, if there is an immediate crisis and need of water, then there should be a quick band-aid operation which can stop any discomfort to the citizen. And secondly, I will focus also on the structural and long-term solutions. For example, there is a very brilliant idea about the irrigation cooperatives, and Gujarat government has been focusing on it for last 2 years, and it has the potential to save the Gujarat state, which is very much water scarce, from water scarcity.
But as a DC, this all this functioning and doing all this is not coming under your purview. The other departments are doing that. So in that situation,
So I think I can certainly find a way to convey the solution to my superiors as well, and I can focus more on implementing the orders given to me from my superiors in a better way.
what is goods and what is service?
Goods are generally the physical commodities, and the services are
Okay, if I am purchasing milk pouch,
Yes, sir.
will there be a GST on it?
Yes, sir.
In which part it will be covered, goods or service?
Goods.
Goods, and it will have a GST.
Yes, sir.
So, which are the things that are exempted from GST?
Currently, there are 6 items which are exempted, which are not under the purview of GST, which are petroleum products, and 5 petroleum products, and 1 is alcohol for consumption.
Are you sure milk is included in GST?
As far as I know, sir, I
Okay,
might be
sir.
wrong here.
Okay. You have done your electronics engineering.
Yes, sir.
What is different between electronics and electrical?
Electronics particularly deals with microchips and everything that electrical deals with. Electronic does it in smaller dimension. So there is that difference, that electronics is primarily similar to electrical, but everything is minimized.
Everything minimized.
Yes.
Great. Say you are in charge of one department and
Yes.
there is some wrongdoing happening in some other department
Okay.
of which you are not officially connected. So how you will tackle that wrongdoing?
Sir, I will first inform about the wrongdoing to my department senior, as he would definitely have a better idea of
And
reaching
he,
out to another
and he will say
department.
ignore it. No, what is the problem? Ignore it. That is not our issue.
Then I will reach out to the other department.
Okay. And then they will say don't interfere in my work. Just get lost. This is not your department.
Then I will try my best to solve that matter if I can.
How?
And I mostly there has to be an alternative way, an in-house mechanism to address the situation. I'm not very much aware about what exactly is the procedure, but I'm assuming there's an SOP.
Common sense? What's your common sense here?
I think that I will definitely find a way.
Okay, you will find, then you will find a solution.
I'm not aware about the technicalities yet, sir.
Okay. You are aware about Internet of Things.
Yes, sir.
How electronics is related, associated in Internet of Things?
So Internet of Things is basically cyber physical systems which are constantly connected to internet, and it is controlled by constant communication by feedback channels to internet, and thus they operate. So all the cyber physical systems have embedded systems in them, which are basically built up by key electronics components. For example, there are logic gates, there are microcontrollers and microprocessors, and there's also some level of programming which give them command and algorithms that runs the embedded system.
Okay.
So it is
Fair enough, fair enough. You have also done your communication, electronics and communication
Yes.
engineering.
Yes.
How the communication between AC remote and AC take place?
It works on the base of RFID. It's a radio frequency wave communication. In a remote there is a transmitter. It transmits the command given from the buttons, and there is a receiver on whatever equipment that you want to control, and thus the communication takes place between the two.
How 4G technology is different from 5G technology?
There are two basic difference between 4G and 5G. 5G technology is 900% more faster than 4G technology. Its speeds are, it starts from 1 Gbps, and currently 4G technology works on 20 to 50 Mbps speed. So it's a huge leap forward in terms of internet speed. And other thing is the latency of data packet, which means if you are sending a message, then to round trip that data packet throughout the world, it takes only 1 or 2 milliseconds in 5G, whereas in 4G it takes at least 10 milliseconds.
Okay. You want to come into the service for upliftment of society.
Yes.
Okay. How you will uplift the society when you are Assistant Commissioner of State Tax?
Sir, State Tax Department basically implements GST in the state, and
Then what does Tax Commissioner do, who are IAS officer?
I think the revenue part forms a major portion of the economic health of the state. So making contribution or increasing even the smallest percent of efficiency in that department will ultimately contribute towards the upliftment of
So
society.
that is upliftment.
It always has an indirect effect.
You collect money, you give it to government, and
Yes, sir.
government is misusing money. Government is not using money. If only government use that money judicially, then only it will be upliftment.
I can, as a assistant commissioner, make sure that every person under me does not misuse that. I
Okay.
can't have a jurisdiction over my seniors,
Okay.
but on my subordinates.
So they are free to do anything.
My seniors.
Yes.
If it comes to my knowledge and if I can address it, again I'm not familiar with the technicalities, but if I have a way to address it, then I will surely will.
Okay. When you were explaining, when you were giving answer to sir about one of the question, you told engineering give you analytical perspective. You want to explore new thing.
Yes, sir.
So what new thing you will explore in bureaucracy? Still, I am not able to figure it out.
So there is one concept of.
Everything is already there. What are the new thing which you will do?
Sir, there are certain new technology that the government has started focusing on, but it is not up to the speed that it requires to build. For example, big data. The chief economic advisor did use the big data technology for creating the economic survey, but after that it hasn't been in much use. But that,
And you becoming a deputy collector, the usage of big data in our country will start, and everybody will start using big data. Everybody will go for data mining.
no,
Is
but
it so?
no, but I think I can bring with something new to the table when my opinion is asked.
But that's why I'm asking, what new thing? Tell me just one example. Anything new which you will insert in a system which is not there.
I don't think I'm able to answer that right now, sir, but I'll think about it.
Okay, no issue. Okay, it's done. So we'll give you feedback.
Yes, sir.
So how is your assessment about your interview?
I think that मुझे technical question पूछा सकते how will you face your senior if they are not doing anything. So I'm not aware. I think I can work on that, but I'm not sure how. तो मुझे लगा वो लोग के नाते कि system ना हो, so yeah, I can work on that.
You can answer any question on three things.
Okay.
One, law, what law is saying. Another, what ethics is saying. And third, what your conscience and your common sense is saying. So you are not aware about law. What is the things going on in the department.
Yes.
But at least you are aware about what is the ethical perspective
Yeah.
and what is the common sense perspective. So in opinion question, when they seek any opinion, you have to give answer from common sense, you have to give answer from ethical point of view.
He has entered you out while giving the question, common sense, twice he told you. But you were continuing with your perspective.
I just couldn't think of like what will I do if even my seniors are.
No, you have always tried to give the answers and convince yourself and convince the panel that you are giving the proper answer. So you continuously tried for that.
Okay.
Don't try that. If you don't know something, simply say sorry, sir, I don't.
See, in a fact related question.
And at a point I took you to the end where you told that sorry, I don't know.
In fact related question, if you are not able to answer, it is okay, it is answerable.
Okay.
But in opinion related question, you are
Yes,
they are expecting answer from you.
You should opine.
Because clearing means at the age of 25, 26, you should have some opinion. That is a
So,
desirable.
but sir, if I don't have the exact idea about the mechanism and I told you that yes, if I can find a way to solve it, then I will certainly do so. So that shows my ethical perspective right there. But how can I use common sense as I have no idea about the law?
No.
So I was scared of voicing my opinion any further.
When opinion is asked, you can give any opinion. It is not necessary that it should be legally bind and this and that and what.
See, there are three people who are part of any wrongdoing. One person who is accused, another who is a victim, and number third who is a mute spectator. So you are mute spectator in this wrongdoing. So you can say in this manner, I will figure out what the problem is, and if my senior is also not listening, other department is not listening, I will go for some complaint redressal mechanism in an anonymous way. You can complain to some department, you can go to senior, you can complain him in an anonymous manner. Okay, sir, this is the wrongdoing which is happening in your department. I have complained to an authority, but the authority was not responsive. Please look into the matter. So in this way you can do.
Yes.
That's what C-Box it is doing for sexual harassment complaint in a public and private job. Okay. So positive part of your interview was clarity, communication. Good, and in some you were able to give your opinion in some of question. But negative part was you were lacking information. So try to address that information gap.
Yes.
Fair. Don't try to use such a hard and extreme word. Upliftment of society, trying a new thing, bringing innovation. Being at the post of a deputy collector, you cannot do this thing. There is a large system and you are a small wheel of that large system. So it will take you 5 to 6 years to understand that job, and then you can implement the things. So don't use such words. Use like you are interested in this job because you want to work for society. It has got a diverse profile and it suited your interest. That's why you are there. So don't use a harsh word. This is my passion. This is my dream. I want to uplift. I want to make change. Because the people who are sitting in the interview hall, they have already spent their 40 years and then they have retired without making any change. So उन्होंने कुछ change नहीं किया ना. They were in bureaucracy.
How do you know that?
I am saying you cannot major change, you cannot overhaul a system. I am saying you can do the things, but overhauling a system, it requires a very patient approach.
See, I was also DC. This Idara at unlimited, after unlimited, what we can say, my efforts and involving the senior, that is specifically IAS officers. Those who were assistant collector, and when they go to the secretariat, at that point of time it was clicked.
Correct.
Otherwise, we were prepared it in Fox Pro in '94. But this Idara started working in 2004.
But somewhere
So you can't bring any change. This Jan Seva Kendra, the basic process engineering and the structural engineering and total concept, it was first done by we people. I am the main person.
Correct.
But with the total commitment of the collector, the then collector of Gandhinagar, it was only.
Things can be done in a gradual manner. You cannot overhaul the things.
So I brought the change in this system, but not by my means. Some other was there to take care of it and who lead this project up to the chief secretary and CM level, and then it was approved. So in government there are so many. So don't have to be that what he told that you don't be that much enthusiastic. That samaj ko badal dalo.
Passion, dream, these are the harsh words.
Okay.
Upliftment. So okay. And good thing about you, your language is good, clarity is good. Dressing is a bit lacking. Your hair you should have, and then communication skill is good. Negative, not clear about job profile. So be read CRPC, read the job of DC, executive magistrate and all that. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.